she was like...
Yeah, she was yawning.
Yeah.
She's probably tired. Well, she's still a baby.
Here. What happened? There was like shade right here.
That's because I turned the lights on. What do you think? Huh?
Look, Emily. Look.
Emily. Hi, boo-boo.
Did I lick my head? Did I lick my head?
He gave you his paw, or he tried to give you his paw.
She likes to lick my hand.
He does like licking your hand.
Emily.
Oh, gosh. He's licking my hand.
He could be our new cleaner.
Oh my gosh. He's licking the floor.
He's licking crumbs off the floor.
Ew.
Hey, Mommy won't need to vacuum.
And there's one extra thing.
Oh, I think he's scratching his paw.
Oh, he's tired.
I think he's scratching his paw or something because he put his hand like right near his thing.
Well, you guys are up early. Did you get excited about seeing him?
I woke
her?
up at 6:44 and I said maybe I can sleep for just a little bit because I was still a little tired. And then I can see him and like,
Ew, she licked my foot.
Be careful, don't scratch her.
All right, Emily.
And she's really tired. Emily, look over there.
Hi, sweetie. Good girl. Hi, good girl. Hi, good girl.
Come here, Emily. Come here, Emily. Come here. Now, don't be afraid. It's just licking. She can never bite.
I know, because she keeps licking me too much. I'm going to be like licked to death.
Hey, Emily, say just lick it. Lick it. Lick it. Lick it.
Ew, that was warm.
Hello, I'm a dog. Hello. Puppy.
Oh, puppy, my friend. Can he, if you ask him paw, will he put...
No.
Whoa,
Huh? Case his claws didn't hurt me. I put them like that and I felt them. They're just like pushing. Like, it didn't hurt.
Do it to me,
Okay, Mom.
because I'm stronger
What?
than you. Put her on.
Casey's lap.
Okay.
No,
No? Okay.
it won't hurt. No, I want
Oh, she was trying to get in Matt's lap.
to... Oh, he's okay. Please, Mom, don't,
Emily.
please don't get rid of him. I feel so bad for him.
Why?
Her.
Her. It's a girl.
Okay,
I keep saying he.
it's okay.
All right.
Can you take her outside and can
No,
we...
it's early in the morning. Come on, perform. Run. Go up to her, Matt.
Matt, I think she's...
And then run away and say, come on.
Emily, come on. I want to see what this is.
No, she didn't poop. Run, Matt. Run. He's not.
I'm gonna go get a coat on.
I like how she like.
Go on.
Oh my gosh! Fast!
I told you.
Oh my gosh! This dog. This is a fast dog. Hey, run over there.
Watch.
Casey, look.
Show Casey.
Ah!
Okay, run, Case. And say, come on, when you run.
Run. No. No, that's just mulch. Hey, run.
Honey, she hasn't pooped yet.
See, you like my shoes.
Now run, run, run. Run, Matt.
Run, Matt, run.
Good boy.
Emily, ready? Emily, go over there. Go scare the bird.
Go on.
Scare the bird.
Show us how you run,
Run
Matt.
over to the playset so he can scare the bird. Please. Come here. Oh gosh, I don't think I can wear these shoes anymore.
Why?
It's gonna bite him up. Emily! Go chase him, go chase him.
Oh, you're in a playful mood this morning.
I told you he was like, rah, rah, rah.
Woohoo! That's how you do it. Go back and forth with them. Good job, Matt.
Okay, my hair did cold.
Okay, we'll go back. What do you think, Jack?
Emily! Doing that on me! Mommy doing that on me. Say click. Do that.
Oh, she wants hugs and love.
I will come back! Oh, ew.
You like Emily?
Hi, Emily. You've been so interested because you've been putting your hands there. My hands really don't feel good today. I'm not kidding.
Lick them out.
What's the cave? I think I'm going to eat. I don't need my blanket. That's the cave's over there.
Well, maybe that's Emily's blanket now.
She throws up on it, yeah.
Jack. Wait.
Mommy, I don't know what to have because I haven't been feeling.
Then probably just
Mom, take your
Cheerios.
shoes off.
Yeah. Where'd Emily go? Where's Jack? Emily, get Jack.
I can take a shortcut.
Oh, okay, she's scared. She's ready to hide.
Jack. I'm trying to chase me.
He's trying to chase you.
I'm trying to lick you, Jack. He likes me. And he likes me too. Because I'm a dog. Ah, you're not a dog.
Good boy. Boys, you guys are doing so good with her.
He kisses. He kisses me like this. All over for me.
So what did you say, Case?
You can
If I
pet
have
the dog. If you can pet the dog maybe once a month if you're allergic to it, or snuggle with him once a month. So, and then the rest of the time you can still look at it, but not get that close. Mom, look at him. And when you have to do like responsibilities, and you can, the rest of the family can do that stuff. Or like if we want to do a family walk with the dog, you can stay behind or in front of the dog. This is what Melly's doing. Hi. Licky, licky. He's trying to, guess what he's trying? Yeah! Don't scare. He's trying to chase after me. He just licked my pinky.
I'm trying to figure out how this dog has already peed more outside than Mallory did in like the 5 years we had her.
We had it for 5 years. Oh my God.
Wait, does that mean he has a bladder problem?
Yeah.
Or are you saying he can pee outside while
saying
Mallory can pee inside?
No, he's smart and knows he's supposed to go out.
And that's what I meant, sorry.
And that's because he's already been in a crate.
She
She is smart. She's a smart girl.
It's her.
She's
Good girl. Good girl.
I'm scared. Oh my gosh, she almost licked me in the face.
Not she's allowed. You're gonna get licked in the face.
Oh, I'm scared. I'm not too pissed.
Okay.